We've got Little Montana. That's going to be her nickname. Little Montana, how you doing this morning? You've been a patient of ours in the past, and then you went someplace else for a while, but then like everybody else, they all come back. They come back. They come back. Now, you were a bit overweight, and I told you needed to have maybe a procedure to lose some weight.
Yes.
And you said, I'm not listening to that crazy doctor. I'm taking control of my life, and I'm going to do something about it. And you lost a bunch of weight, right? All right, so the problem is, though, you've been doing a lot of exercising, and as we lose weight, we lose cushion, and we begin to expose the bursa, or bursae, in our body that cushion the joints and the bones, and you are having a lot of pain. Now, we want to keep you active, right? We want to keep exercising, but unfortunately, this hurts. And you've done massage therapy, did you tell me?
Done injections,
massage, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And have you seen chiropractor maybe?
Yes.
Okay. So you've done all kinds of things, and it just keeps hurting so much now that it's interfering with your ability to exercise and continue your progress. And so we want to help you along the way. All right. So we've got a couple of issues here. So this is the pelvis, right? This is the back side, the front side of the wall. This is Little Montana. And this is the hip right here. So what we're looking for is the trochanteric bursa, and the spot that hurts the most is what I'm hunting for right now. You're going to help me. Say up, down, left, right from here.
Go up a little.
Up a little bit.
Touched her and she was
I know.
able to jump out.
Right. This one maybe?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So we're going to make a little circle there. Now, there's also the gluteofemoral bursa, which is down here a little bit. And you were really sensitive.
Yeah.
Right about in there?
Right in about that area.
Right there. All right. So even the pen touch, you see that made her jump. So we're going to give you a couple of injections to see if we can't keep you moving. How's that sound?
All right.
All right, Little Montana. And you're all right if we video you for our friends on YouTube?
Yes.
You want to shout out to anybody?
No.
You just want to shout?
Shots in
I'm
and
about to
out.
shout.
Just get this done.
This is really putting a lot of pressure. It's hurting like right in here.
Okay, we're going to make it quick.
You're going to feel some cold spray.
She's going to spray right here. Let's go with the top one. All right, so we're going to hit the trochanteric first. Deep breath. And this is a mix of some triamcinolone and 1%. I believe we have plain lidocaine today, right? It's going to be sore, but tomorrow you're going to feel a lot better. Okay, one down. I got that one. Now let's go for the gluteofemoral. Gumby Jean, thank you. Now this is going to hurt, okay?
Yeah.
There's just no way around it. Little stick. Deep breath. You're doing great. So what you're going to do tonight, about an hour before you go to sleep, go ahead and ice this area really well. Do it for about 20 minutes, okay? Do it about an hour before you go to bed, and hopefully this is going to feel a lot better in the morning. You are a superstar. I know that hurt. Gumby Jean, make sure she gets a sticker.
A lollipop?
No, well, you have diabetes, so no lollipop for you. Thanks for letting us video your procedure for our friends on YouTube.
Oh, you're welcome.
And I hope you're feeling better. Now, you're also having some similar problems on the other side. We want to let this work for a few weeks.
Okay.
You start feeling better, then you're ready to get the other side done. Just let us know and come in and we'll take care of it for you. He's cortisone, okay? So in your particular case, I really felt like it's in your benefit to keep you active, especially since you've lost a lot of weight. And I want to see you continue in that direction.
Okay.
Okay, get better, all right?
Thank you.
You bet. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Also, check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit, available on Amazon for under $20. It's got a leather case, and it's compact in size, good for traveling. See link below.